line for something.
Where are you then?
Just give the girl them something on. You know when the talks them actually, give them 10 back on that too.
Yeah man, Wagwan, welcome forward to the TV man. You don't know say Bones they represent for Sandy and Bones TV and yo teacher, yeah man, he go show the PMP them in support yesterday man, and after that man I open at the club with teacher them man. My yo, him go just Becky Gaza people them know say yeah, teacher really there and teacher party and everything. And him just shell down the place. You see it man, Gabby and them did their dance and then the man just buy 10 bucks like NOC for the girls them and 10 bucks like NOC for the thugs them said speed. So if you're new around here, remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. For future upload, you see me, and you also can check out on Facebook and on Instagram. I run a TikTok too, you see me, at Sandy and Bones TV. Yeah man, just go and drop on the Gaza comment and just go and prepare for the show and everything, you see me. And yeah man, and the young people them who say teacher, nobody trying to see teacher go up and go support the PMP them. You don't know him support him liar, you see me. Yeah man, say if the people will just ask the Gaza and anything, that nobody feel no way about it, you see me. Yeah man, film side and phone side, you see it? Yeah man. For me know say yo enough labor writers say yo Andrew are going good and enough PMP I say yo Andrew now going good, you see me? But not to support the white guy, you see me?
The love on the talks that big up on the same scene. My shade, the girl in the girl anything.
Now sit them on forward here.
Yeah man, 10 back line for something.
Where are you then?
Just give the girl them something on. You know when the talks them actually, give them 10 back on that too.
Yeah, where are you them there? Oh, them are young now.
You don't know when the talks them actually, make sure the people them get to them forget it.
Yeah man, you could have asked them to see you.
Yeah, now cool man, we know that one. That's what them, you know. How they are with the vibes. Don't know, pick up on yourself people, enough love and enough respect. They say, we'll just say that party. Respect people.
Yeah, bring them out that's all. I want to you. I might not book December 31st, but I'm here to steer the ship here tonight. And deal with them. Bumbo class. Just give some woman some medicine. Some group woman. No favorite thing. I remember some tree to get tennis it up. Just give some woman some medicine. Just look for some table. And surround yourself to you. Just give some woman some